In this video, I'll be making a pair of gambrels, which are used to hang game animals prior to butchering. Since I'm trying to do this on the cheap, I'm using a couple pieces of rebar from the home center instead of buying round bar from a steel supplier. These are number 4 bars, 4 foot long, which I'm splitting in half. The gambrels are made of 2 components. First is the bottom piece, which has 2 upturned ends and which serve as hooks to keep the animal on the gambrel. The second is the top piece, which has a simple 90-degree bend in the middle. Put them together and it's basically like a big clothes hanger. Bending these is pretty easy if you have a bench vise and a piece of pipe to give yourself more leverage. For the bottom pieces, I thought I'd be able to bend them by hand, but that proved to be untrue, so I used the pipe again. With the pieces bent, all that's left to do is weld them together. I put the top piece so that the ends were on either side of the bottom piece to keep things even. After welding and allowing it to cool down, I gave it a good coating and boiled linseed oil to reduce rusting. I had hoped to get a deer this hunting season to show the gambrel in action, but unfortunately it didn't happen. At any rate, these are easiest to use with a rope hoist, which gives you a high mechanical advantage and makes hanging game much easier. Anyway, that'll do it for this one. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.